Gold IRA Rollover Process Explained for Beginners. Many investors are turning to a Gold IRA rollover to secure their retirement savings. This process lets you move funds from a 401k, 403b, or traditional IRA into a self-directed IRA backed by physical gold. By doing so, you gain diversification, inflation protection, and more control over your financial future. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Click the link below in the description to get it. What is a Gold IRA rollover? A Gold IRA rollover is the transfer of retirement assets into a self-directed IRA that holds IRS-approved precious metals. Unlike traditional plans focused on stocks and bonds, this strategy allows you to hold tangible assets such as gold and silver, creating a stronger safety net. Steps in the rollover process. 1. Check eligibility. Confirm your current retirement plan permits rollovers. Some employer accounts restrict transfers until you leave the company. 2. Select a custodian. A self-directed IRA requires an approved custodian to manage the account and handle IRS compliance. 3. Choose metals and dealer. Work with a trusted dealer to purchase IRS-approved gold or other metals. Only specific purity levels qualify. 4. Request a direct transfer. Arrange a direct rollover to avoid penalties and keep tax-deferred benefits intact. 5. Secure storage. The metals are stored in an IRS-approved depository, ensuring both safety and regulation compliance. Key benefits of a Gold IRA rollover. 1. Diversification. Balances portfolios heavy in paper assets. 2. Inflation hedge. Gold historically holds value during market downturns. 3. Tax advantages. A properly executed rollover keeps your retirement savings tax deferred. 4. Wealth preservation. Gold remains a globally trusted store of value. The Gold IRA rollover process is straightforward once you understand the essentials. By selecting the right custodian, ensuring eligibility, and following IRS rules, you can strengthen your retirement portfolio with physical gold. For beginners, this move offers both stability and long-term protection in uncertain times. Free Gold IRA Guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.